Hello friends, my name is Sydney Soderlin. Today I will be discussing my hypotheses on the fighting behavior exhibited by pavement ants. For this, I will be applying the 4 ethological questions generated by the Nobel Prize winner Nico Tinbergen from 1963. So what are Tinbergen's 4 questions? Well, Tinbergen's 4 questions contain the following below. The 2 proximate questions involve causation, which can be referred to as mechanism, and development, which can also be referred to as ontogeny. Next are the 2 ultimate questions. That is going to involve evolution, or phylogeny, and function, which can also be referred to as adaptation. Tinbergen's framework has been influential in advancing the field of ethology because it can approach the study of an animal's behavior from multiple angles. These questions provided a deeper understanding in the fighting behavior that I observed in pavement ants. Let's begin with causation. The question asked is, how does the pavement ant fight? Klein-Idem et al., published in 2017, describes a signal used to instigate a fight known as antenation. This is where the ant will essentially use its antenna to touch any part of its opponent. Other signals I observed are shown in this image I took, where the ant raises its upper body with its front 2 legs outstretched and opens its mandibles, which is used to bite its opponent. While in a fight, the most noticeably observed mechanism is this rotation-like movement. It can be difficult to determine what is happening once they are in this rotation. Next, we have development. How is the fighting behavior learned? Pavement ants are a part of a colony and are observed to be brought up in social settings where communication is prioritized. Pereira et al.'s published 2019 article describes ants' ability to discriminate friend from foe and strategize attacks. The article also supports that the deer-enemy effect applies to the pavement ants, as it is likely more beneficial to tolerate a neighbor than attack them and lose colony members. The third question is on evolution. How did fighting evolve in pavement ants? In 2014, Wilson and Noack published research supporting that pavement ants evolved as eusocial. The colony is a cooperative group with primary breeders, mainly queens and males. The article uses the phrase superorganism to describe the way the colony acts as one, though containing multiple. Colony survival and reproduction is prioritized, and there is safety in numbers. Wilson and Noack noted that if a pavement ant colony were to overtake another of the same species, that the survivors were to merge with the victors and cooperate as a single colony. Last question is on function. Why does the pavement ant fight? The preeminent answer to this is competition. Tandler and Adler's 2009 published research describes the value that resources and territory have on pavement ants. Ants will compete to obtain a resource, such as shown here, or defend its resource, as shown here. Obtaining and defending territory to provide optimal nesting sites is also considered, as described in research by Sanada Miranura et al.